Supercharge your inventory planning with Standardized Transfer Inventory Capital Solutions, ST-ICS, which we call STICS. When it comes to managing supply chain risk, ICS can handle it all. Supply and demand planning, what-if simulations, event planning, lost sales tracking, NPI, supplier performance monitoring, and managing your cash flow. But for ICS to deliver those insights, it needs the right data from your systems, including SAP ERP and beyond. That's where STICS comes in. STICS is a reliable, secure, and flexible integration framework. It quickly connects your SAP solutions, along with third-party and cloud data sources to ICS. With multiple connectivity options, STICS can pull data from across your landscape, transform it, and deliver it in exactly the format ICS requires. The framework is highly adaptable. It supports custom transformations and formats, all from config, meaning no code changes, all within a standard integration approach. Think about your day-to-day operations, creating sales orders, purchasing raw materials, receiving shipments, and moving inventory across your network. STICS ensures all those transactions flow seamlessly into ICS, where it can calculate and recommend the right stock levels to keep your business running smoothly. Let's look at one of these outbound flows to ICS. It may be intimidating at first, but is simple when broken out into sections. The first section is for miscellaneous triggers. The second section handles IDOCs. The third handles REST. Each of these goes to a common process, the fourth section, which transmits the data to ICS. 5 and 6 handle alerts and notifications. Let's see a demo for one of the interfaces. First, a REST message in JSON is triggered, representing a sales order. In the iFlow, you can see the route the integration followed. Along the way, several steps were performed to convert the data into a common format and run validations. Eventually, the data passed into the common processing stage, which delivered it to ICS in the correct format. Next, let's look at a previous message. This one was sent via IDOC, so it went a different route. In the payload, it has a different source structure and transformation, but it was mapped correctly into the ICS format. In ICS, the data transfers can be monitored, and users can utilize the recently transferred data for supply chain forecasting, including determining the inventory policies. ICS will calculate and provide recommendations based on the received data which need to go to SAP to be actioned. Let's see this in a demo. In ICS, purchase requisitions are available. On the STICS interface, it has been picked up, and a process similar to the outbound integrations has run. We can see that the data provided by ICS is converted into an IDOC for an SAP system. Let's highlight STICS value for your organization. STICS comes with a library of pre-built integrations ready to configure for your business. That means you can accelerate your implementation and realize value much faster. STICS is highly configurable. You can onboard new systems, bring in new datasets, and set up new transformations without a single line of code. That flexibility will empower your team to adapt quickly as your business evolves. Finally, with built-in alerting and notification, ICS makes support and monitoring simple and efficient. STICS is the smart choice, simple, reliable, and cost-effective.